Hello friends, welcome to WinGraviton. Today we are going to talk about linear equation in one variable, and this for class 8, and this is the part 12 video. So in this video we will talk about word problems again. So let's start. So the first problem is that Amina thinks of a number and she subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So let's observe the first statement. She thinks of a number and we do not know its value. So let's assume that the value of the number is x. It is x. Let's assume that the value of the number is x. And she subtracts 5 by 2 from it. That means from this number, she subtracts 5 by 2. So we do not know the value of that number. So we are assuming it as x. So it is going to be x minus 5 by 2, isn't it? So she thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So x minus 5 by 2. And then she multiplies the result by 8. So this is the result, and she multiplies this result by a number 8. So when she does this, that is, when she subtracts 5 by 2 from a number and multiplies the result by 8, then they are saying the result now obtained is 3 times the number what she thought of. That means when she subtracts 5 by 2 from a number and multiplies the result by 8, she gets a number which is 3 times the number what she thought of previously in this stage. So that number we assumed it as x. So we do not know its value. So this result, the result obtained is 3 times that number. So it is going to be 3 times x because we do not know its value. So it is going to be 3 times x. 3 times x means 3 into x. So 3 into x is 3x. So the result is 3x. So now we have to find an equation based upon this information given. Okay, so we can also make an equation like this, isn't it? That is x minus 5 by 2 multiplied by 8 equals to 3x. Now we made an equation based upon the information they gave, isn't it? Now let's solve for x and then let's find the number. So 8 into x minus 5 by 2 equals to 3x. Now let's open the bracket. Let's multiply this 8 with x. So we get 8x. 8 into x is 8x. And then 8 into minus 5 by 2. 8 into minus 5 by 2. So we can cancel this, isn't it? 2 into 4, that will give us 8. So 4 into minus 5, that is minus 20. So minus 20, let's write it here. So equals to 3x. So this is a variable term, 3x. So we have to shift that variable terms to what? To LHS, isn't it? Then here is a constant, minus 20. We have to shift it to RHS. So let's do it. So 8x minus 3x equals to plus 20. Okay, here it is minus 20. Here it will come as plus 20. Here it is plus 3x. Here it will come as minus 3x. So 8x minus 3x is nothing but 5x equals to 20. So x is going to be 20 divided by 5. So let's cancel it by 5 tables. So we have now cancelled it. So x equals to 4. This is the value of x. So what is the number? The number is 4. Okay, the number is 4. So that is the number. Now let's continue with our next problem. That is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters and its length is 2 more than twice its breadth. What is the length and breadth of the swimming pool? So if you can do this problem now itself, pause the video and try it out yourself and watch it again to check the answer. So let's start. The perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool. Okay, so the perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. 154 meters. So here is a swimming pool. And the perimeter, the length of the boundary, okay, the length of the boundary is about is about 154 meter. The perimeter is 154 meter. The perimeter of this rectangle is 154 meters. And its length is 2 more than twice its breadth. Okay, first of all, we have to now in this sentence find what is the length and what is the breadth. So what is the breadth then? So breadth is going to be x. Okay, we do not know the value of it, so let's assume that the breadth is going to be x. So now the length of this rectangular swimming pool is 2 more than twice the breadth. So that is going to be, what is twice the breadth? That is 2 into x. 2 into x, so that is 2x. So 2x, and then 2 more than twice the breadth, that means 2x plus 2. So the length is nothing but 2x plus 2. Okay, so the breadth is going to be x and the length is going to be 2x plus 2. Okay, so now these are the given information. So how can we now make an equation by this, information given? So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle is nothing but 2 into L plus B. So this is the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so this perimeter is nothing but 2 into L plus B. So these are the length and breadth. So we can now make an equation by this, isn't it? So 2 into, what is the length? The length is going to be 2x plus 2. So let's put it in there, 2x plus 2, and then plus, and then what is the breadth? The breadth is going to be x. So what is L plus B? 2x plus 2 plus x. Okay, so this is going to be 154. Okay, so now we have made an equation. Now let's solve for x and then find what is the length and what is the breadth of this swimming pool. 2 into 2x plus 2 plus x equals to 154. These are like terms, isn't it? 2x and x. So 2x plus x, that is going to be 3x. So 2 into 3x plus 2 equals to 154. 154. Now let's expand this. Let's open the bracket. 2 into 3x, that is going to be what? It is going to be 6x, and then 2 into 2, that is going to be plus 4. So it equals to 154. Now this is a constant, isn't it? That is plus 4. So let's shift it to the RHS. So 6x equals to 154 minus 4. Okay, minus 4. So what is 154 minus 4? That is going to be 150. So 6x equal to 150. Okay, so x is going to be 150 divided by 6. Okay, this is a constant, we have to shift it there. Okay, so here it is multiplied by 6. If we shift it there, it becomes divided by 6. Now let's cancel it. Okay, let's divide it. Divide 150 by 6. 150 divided by 6. 2 6 r is 12. 2 6 r is 12. Then we subtract, we get 3. Let's put the 0 there. And so 5 6 r is 30. So the answer is nothing but 25. So x equals to 25. So this is the value of x. So what is breadth? The breadth is x. So that means if breadth is x, then it is going to be 25, because x is nothing but 25, and then length is nothing but 2x plus 2, isn't it? It is going to be 2x plus 2. Let's substitute let's substitute 25 in the place of x. So 2 into 25 plus 2, that is going to be the answer. So 25 into 2, that is going to be 50, plus 2, so it is going to be 52. So the breadth is 25 and the length is 52. So this is the answer for this question. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel WinGraviton and stay tuned for more videos.